17th question, if the 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x power 44 are equal, we have to find the value of x. So here we have to go by a concept. Okay, the concept is like this. The kth term in 1 plus x power n is always nck minus 1 x power k minus 1. This is a very important concept, and problems under this concept are very important. Sometimes they are confusing also. Okay, let me give one example. Now let me try to expand 1 plus x power 44. This is just an example I am giving. Suppose we try to expand 1 plus x power 44. Let us say I will write 3 or 4 terms here. So the expansion of 1 plus x power 44 is 44c0 1 power 44 plus the next term will be 44c1 1 power 43, the power of 1 decreases by 1, x will start appearing. The next term will be 44c2 1 power 42, x will become x square. The next term will be 44c3 1 power 41 x cube, and the expansion goes like this. Now if you see the first term, 44c0 1 power 44 is 1, this term is 44c1 x power 1 plus this term is 44c2 x power 2, this term is 44c3 x cube, etc. Okay, now this term is the first term, which we call it as T1, this is called T2, this is called T3, this is called T4 respectively. Now this is what I was saying. If you want the kth term in this expansion, it is always nck minus 1 x power k minus 1. For example, let us look at the fourth term. If I want the fourth term, if I want 4, the term is 4, this index will be 1 less than this. See, so kth term will be nc 1 less. So kth term index will be 1 less, k minus 1, k minus 1. Okay, see, the third term index will be 1 less, that is 2. So when you generalize, kth term in 1 plus x power n is always nck minus 1 x power k minus 1. This is only true for this expansion, that is 1 plus x power n. So that we need to remember. Yes. Now based on this concept, now I am going to do the given problem. Yeah, 21st and 22nd term in 1 plus x power 44 are equal. Now my first job is to find the 21st term in 1 plus x power 44. So therefore, according to this concept, 21st term in 1 plus x power 44 is nothing but n, that is 44, c, it will be k minus 1. So 21 will become 20 into same index here, k minus 1, k minus 1. So 20 will be 20 here. Okay. Now this is the 21st term. They are also talking about the 22nd term in the expansion of this. So now 22nd term in 1 plus x power 44 is nothing but 44c. Since this is 22, this will become 21, and x power same index 21 is going to come. But according to the data, 21st and 22nd term in this expansion are equal. So that means this term should be equal to this term. Therefore 44c20 x power 20 should be equal to 44c21 x power 21. Now my job is to find x. So I can find x if I cross multiply this, or I can cancel x power 21, x power 21 and x power 20 cancels, leaving x here. So therefore I will get x is equal to 44c20 divided by 44c21. So this will be the value of x. Okay. Now how to simplify this? You can go by your general simplification, otherwise it's better not only in this chapter for permutation, combination, and even in binomial theorem, you can remember this result. I'll write a result here. If you have NCR minus 1 divided by NCR, this answer will be always equal to R divided by N minus R plus 1. Yes. Okay, I'll give a simple example. Suppose you have 22C, one simple example I'll give. Suppose I have 22C5 divided by 22C6. Okay, the answer will be, see, this you have to write R minus 1 and R, you have to write this index, that is the bigger index. So 5 and 6, so you have to write 6 divided by, the denominator is very simple, it will be the difference of this 22 minus 5, 17. How is it? Because N minus R plus 1 is actually the difference of this, it is N minus R minus 1. So it is N minus R plus 1. Therefore, otherwise don't look at the formula, just look at one example. So 22C5 by 22C6 is, write the bigger index 6 by difference of the top indices, 22 minus 5, that is 17. So if you remember that, this will become very easy. So according to that, here the value of x will be 20 and 21. So 21 is bigger, divided by difference of this 44 minus 20, that is 24. So here 3 you can cancel, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, therefore 7 by 8 will be the answer, and hence it is given as option C, hence option C is the answer.